Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hi everyone, Christmas is just around the corner or here, and that's why you're here looking at Christmas ornaments, or you're those people who in June you're already in Christmas mode. And I'm going to share with you how to make these reindeer Christmas ornaments, these resin Christmas ornaments, reindeer silicone mold. And with that, I'm just going to do lots of glitter. Christmas is the season that I am free to do glitter, glitter, glitter anytime, you know, with no apologies. And we have a mix of colors. I have 4 pieces on the silicone mold. You know, you can see them. They're supposed to be reindeers. I know you can't see it. So stick to the end to see when we demold and we reveal it to you. And so I'm doing combinations for each, trying to contrast. So for one, I'm using silver chunky glitter and the green of the small glitter. For this, the chunky, I'm using red and white. And for the other one, a chunky gold and the fine glitter red. And this one, fine glitter silver holographic and a blue chunky. I can't wait to see how this looks. And I know conventionally most people have always done ornaments as gold and reds and whites, but I've seen, and greens, and I've seen quite a bit of blue and other color combinations. So I'm trying to give you a selection so that if you're ordering, you can see what options or what combinations you can have, and they're not limited to this. For me, I customize as needed, but also for you to see if you're creating what colors work best for you or for your client. So let's keep watching how we do this. And if you find this valuable by the end of this video, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also to see other variations of this, or for example, how we will style this on a Christmas tree, other colors and other orders, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. And every product I've used on this will be linked in the description below. time to demold our reindeer ornaments. I still can't see the reindeer. Oh, let's see if we turn it around we can see it, because I've not used this mold before, so we are doing this together. And let's see if we can see the contrasts on the other side, but even on their own. I love this because they're already double-sided ornaments. I love the variety of colors. I love them. I love the boldness. But check the card above, because there's one that's more whimsical, not such bold colors, more fluffy, like, you know. And maybe if that's your style, please check the card above on that video, and those are also personalized. So if you'd like to order yours or your set, those would be for you. All right, so let's turn them around. Start with the gold. Oh, I love how they look. I love the contrast. I still can't see the reindeer, but I love the contrast. How they look, I love how they look. Somebody tell me, where is the reindeer? I can't see it. I love how they've turned out. The design on its own just gives us the option of using this both ways, you know, both sides, contrasts, colors. You can let me know which is your favorite color in the comment section below. What would you do? What would you do different? Which colors would you are more your color? Christmas color. Some people love blues, greens, silvers, whites, reds, golds. What is and blues your color? Let me know. And stay around to see how they look against the light. I'll put their tag, and then you can let me know what you think about it. And if you've loved this and found it valuable, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also, it gives you a chance not to miss out on the others that I'm making right now. So check them out in the card above, and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on them. And to see these and other variations, other colors, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on my next video, but wait to see how they look when they have their tags and against the light.